Yo, Mr. Fong, see the year Mr. Fong, said the year in Mr. Fong, if you office, said the Danny Dow Tayan, and then what they only have into your buyer, you put on the one. A year took for Zongo Nkosuohene, and Asumai. The Otayan the Dano, and no idea about it. When you begin,
Munaf, Baris Abu Kubudia, Kama Shikayan, to Tagana.
I see, yes, so the big now commander.
Jamanda, Jack, Mayan to the hand.
And officers, Ashanti region, any Kumasi central prisoners or more, I say, Ada, Nkosuohene, Ada Munina, Muslim woman, the better Obiasi, said, Fiaswan, Makai, inmates from Kumasi central prison. Now, a bomb is a Yakupon, because we shram. Now, when you get them up, Kumasi, a mama. Now, Fasua, a war Ramadan is in a family. Now, more a dear kind, Fiti, Yelana, Adam, so, rest of it, and Ray, and from crying, or mom, Janetta, Dells. Now, yeah, I can so and rest soon as a barber, and on my empower GTM. The better must see, the best answer I show me say, yeah, what they are bringing, yeah, no. Becca business no answer. Now, ma also, my sister, I had to Accra, Amo, and together.
This entire would have come to meet him. He moved not up to 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes before the queue. So he already thanks Nkosuohene, representative at the Municipal Palace. This is not the first time, and then it's more or less like a family to the prisons now. Even the family of these people, these unfortunate compatriots, most of them doesn't even remember they have people here. But for him, every or any occasion that comes, he remembers. Even sometimes when it comes to even Christmas and that of the Christian dominated occasion, he's always here to support us. So we pray that Almighty Allah will release whatever he has given to prisons, whatever he lost, and whatever this team, those that have also left tight schedules to be here today to do this donation, whatever you people have also left. Maybe you had different schedules or different things to do, but because of this particular donation, you people have left them and you are here to donate. To say thank you very much. We are most grateful. We pray that we live to see the end of this holy month. Yes, may Almighty Allah answer the prayers of each and every one of us and our families.